Specialty Mustang here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 2007 Ford Shelby GT Mustang. Original mile car, 13,898 on the odometer at the moment. This car was actually bought from us back in 2018. The consignor of the vehicle now purchased it then, has had it for the past, 7 to 8 years. Driven it, enjoyed it, decided it was time for something else, and now it is available to purchase. This is car number 5150 for you Sammy Hagar fans, and by car number 5150 I mean the sequential number from Shelby, because of course these were modified by Shelby America rather than at Ford. Take a look at the front fascia. You can see paint, grille, headlights, good shape on this one. Still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. So you're going to be able to see the underside, the interior, the engine bay. Car from every angle, trunk. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us also, 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct Shelby GT wheels. I can also tell you that those are the original tires on the car. So those are getting up there in age, obviously. If you're on YouTube and you're the tire police, I better make sure that you're aware of that. Sometimes the next owner wants to keep the original tires for it, to keep it original. Maybe they're a collector or what have you. Just giving you the heads up so the purchaser of this knows tires are up there in age and tread depth and everything else getting down there also. As you can see, the rest of the passenger side of this car, really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. I mean, it's black. You may find a little imperfection here or there, maybe a little bit of a touch-up when we get around to the front again. We'll take a little closer look at that hood. But you can see the reflection in the paint. It's a mirror-like finish. Of course, the gray interior, bucket seats. Center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up. Let's hear it run. The Shelby automobile plaque with that 5150 sequential number. It's on the dash, as you can see. Dual exhaust all the way to the rear. Catalytic converters still intact. Of course, the modifications of these where it's been lowered. A little different spring rate in it. That Ford Racing exhaust. Sway bars. All of that done at Shelby, and you'll see that in the still pictures. You also need to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And once again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. If you like these specialty Mustangs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The vehicles in these videos are for sale when the videos are uploaded, and the videos are uploaded daily. So we look down this driver's side again, you can see it's really free of any major dings, dents, scratches. It has a clean Carfax. There's no accidents indicated. Obviously, it's been babied. We know the owner of it for the past 7-8 years and well taken care of. Let's take a little closer look up the front of this. Here's just a couple maybe little spots. There's just been a little dab of black touch-up paint, but overall, man, this is clean for a black car. And you can also notice license plate bracket, and that drilled into that front bumper. A lot of you out there are going to appreciate that. It's actually a bracket down below. It's how they applied that license plate holder so it's not screwed into the bumper. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Also extremely clean. Door panels, obviously, if you're familiar with this model and year, sometimes those door panels start to separate. This one's looking good, both sides. Power seat over here in the driver's side. You can see very little wear on that seat, if any whatsoever. Of course, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. So we also have power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Let's check out those exact miles. Start it up so you can hear it run. 5-speed manual transmission, of course, paired up with a 4.6 liter V8 engine. All right. Can you see those miles? Are they clear? A little blurry down there. There it is, what, 13,898. No service. Engine soon, check engine. Anything like that. Dash looks good. You can also see the navigation radio option on this one. Not played around with the stereo. This turn the volume up a little. And again, the plaque with the sequential number. So no surprises on the inside either. Headliner looking good. Nice deep throaty exhaust note, of course. Dual exhaust. I'm going to go ahead and slip up to the front. Let's take a peek underneath this hood. I'll get these hood pins out. And stick around to the very end of the video. Jason will take this for a drive. Show you how it goes down the road also. Alright, so we got the hood popped. A couple things I want to mention. Battery is from 2024, so newer battery. Car cover, I believe, is in the trunk. We'll include that. Brakes are at 80% or better. There we go, cold air intake. So Ford Racing performance parts, cold air intake. A little bit different tune on these Shelby GTs. Pumping horsepower. Ford Racing strut tower brace. A good looking engine bay. No doubt about that. Also nice and clean and tidy. Again, well taken care of car. AC blows cold. Nothing to hide in this one. 2007 Ford Shelby GT Mustang. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. 13,898 actual miles on it. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a very fun 2007 Ford Mustang GT from Shelby. And it's set up just right with a 5-speed stick, manual transmission, and plenty of power to play with. Looking good with silver and black and hood scoop. And now I got some traffic. Let's listen to the stereo. I think we're ready. Let's see how she does on the highway. Shifter's just right. And the throttle feels good. This car is very comfortable. Tight steering. Now the odometer is showing less than 14,000 miles and it feels it. This car, looking around, is very nice looking inside and out. And everything feels tight. Suspension, shifter, clutch, brakes. The seats look really nice. Our oil pressure is over halfway, and so is the battery. The fuel gauge is about 3/4, and the temperature is about 1/3 of the way up. Once we get in the roundabout, we'll test that acceleration again. I'm down to first, second. Corner's really flat. This car's set up nice. It's really flat in the corners. And I'm quickly up to nearly over the speed limit, I might say. This is a really fun car to drive. You want to check it out. It drives as good as it looks. 2007 Ford Mustang GT Shelby. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.